When I first opened the Peace Lily box, I could already tell it wasn't going to be like the other mattresses I've tested. Instead of the usual plastic wrap and chemical smell, it was actually wrapped in a soft cloth cover, folded neatly and tied almost like a big linen bundle. This was my first time sleeping on a mattress made entirely from natural latex, and after using it for 3 weeks, there's a lot I appreciated and a few things that didn't quite work for me. So what is natural latex exactly? Well, it's made from the sap of rubber trees, whipped into a light foam and then baked, kind of like a sponge cake. There are no synthetic fillers or petroleum-based materials, just plant-based foam. And as I said, there was a noticeable difference straight away. The mattress didn't smell at all when we opened it. What wasn't as nice was the weight. It took a few hours to fully expand, and even after that, it still looked a little bit uneven. By the next morning, it had settled properly, but if you're used to that instant pop from other memory foam mattresses, this one's a little more slow. Once it had taken shape, I gave it a proper test. The feel is very different from anything else I've slept on. Latex doesn't sink or mold to your body like memory foam does. Instead, it kind of pushes back. It's got a gentle kind of bounce that keeps you on top of the mattress rather than cradled inside it. Peace Lily does let you choose between medium and firm, but instead of adjustable layers or inserts, you have to physically flip the whole mattress over. I feel like it's clever in theory, but honestly not the most user-friendly option, especially with how heavy and floppy the mattress is. Personally, I also found the firm side a little too soft. I usually prefer a firmer base, and this one didn't quite hit that mark for me. Their hybrid version, which combines latex with springs, might have been a better fit, but since the all latex model is their bestseller, that's one they sent over for review. That said, it does a great job at keeping cool. I'm a warm sleeper naturally, and I didn't overheat once. The latex doesn't trap heat like other foams can, and even on warmer nights, it stayed comfortable all the way through. Peace Lily also makes a point about the mattress being hypoallergenic and naturally resistant to things like dust mites, mold, and mildew. I don't have allergies, so I can't speak to that directly, but it's reassuring to know it's made without all the added chemicals you usually get in synthetic foam. One thing worth noting though, the mattress doesn't come with a removable cover, so you'll want to invest in a decent protector if you're planning to keep it in good shape for a long time. And while we're being honest, moving this mattress is a mission. Natural latex is seriously dense and floppy, which means it's heavy and awkward to handle. And the queen size is 51 kilos. However, once it's in place, it feels solid enough, but the setup isn't exactly a one-person job. After 3 weeks, here's where I landed. Peace Lily is a solid option if you care about natural materials and don't mind a softer, bouncier feel. It stays cool, it's quiet, and it's made to last. They even back it with a 25-year warranty, which is great. But if you prefer a firmer mattress or you're someone who's sensitive to your partner's movement during the night, you might notice the trade-offs. However, if you're someone who values natural materials, low-tox products, and long-term durability, Peace Lily makes a strong case for itself. They also do have a store in Moorabbin, Victoria, so if you're keen to try it before you buy, you can head on there. So I'm curious, is this the kind of mattress that would work for you? Let me know in the comments below.